guys. Here we go. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And based on the title and thumbnail, you guys know that in this video we're in Wrx, my 2013 Subaru WRX that is also straight piped. We're taking her on her first snow drive here. This is the first big snow that we've had up here in Ohio. This is the first snow that I actually get to drive Wrx in and test out what the Subaru all-wheel drive is actually made of. So far, these roads are pretty slick. Looks like they didn't lay down too much salt or anything, so it's, yeah, as you can hear, all the snow and mush and everything still pretty clogged up on the road. Anyway, Wrx's handling great. Haven't had any issues so far. I just wanted to do a little bit of a POV drive today. Look at that stop sign. There's snow all over that. You can't even see it. But this is a pretty good snow. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I mean, there's at least a good probably 2 inches, 3 inches or so. And we are supposed to get a little bit more also. on Wrxy right now. I have BF Goodrich G-Force Comp 2s. They're so far holding up pretty good. They are an all-season tire, but they're more of a performance-sided all-season, which is surprising how well it's actually holding up. I mean, there's not a lot of snow on this road, but from my road when I left, there was definitely a good bit of snow there. So, and I didn't spin or anything, which this car is very manageable in the snow. I'm gonna go try to find a back road, and we'll see how Wrxy handles. It's honestly amazing how this car's, how it grips up. Wow, dude, no way. Wherever you point this car, it goes. I'm not losing any traction at all. And I mean, I'm not doing anything stupid either, guys. This, everything I do on this channel, I'm all about being in a controlled environment. We're being in as controlled of an environment as I possibly can be. So whatever may seem reckless that I do on the channel, trust me, behind the scenes, everything is being recorded in as controlled of an environment as it possibly can be. And I am being very cautious of those around me. Like, as you can see, this driver here, I'm gonna definitely slid on. They're backing up. I think they slid and maybe missed their driveway. This road's definitely got a little bit more snow on it. So we'll see how she does over here. That's with traction control off, just playing around a little bit. But yeah, no guys, this car is so controllable, I cannot believe it. Like, wherever you point the car, it's literally gonna go there. Now I'm back on some roads, you'll definitely feel the snow. With traction control on, like, I turned traction control off when I took that turn back there, the very first one, and it did kick out. So I mean, obviously with traction control off, it does take away all of your traction control in this car. That is one thing I wanted to test out, to see if this car would actually kick in, like, because some cars have an advanced track and some cars just have regular traction control. With traction control on though, as you can see, it's literally, that's even getting into a little bit of boost. It's not going anywhere for me. And I'm hitting snow, you know? So, I mean, this car, for a daily driver, car to play around and pull up to car meets with, and comfortability, it's got heated seats right down here, as you can see. It's kind of loud because I'm still, you know, running over ice blocks pretty much. But it's so controlled and comfortable, and I would honestly 100% recommend this to somebody who's looking for a daily driver that's sporty, that's reliable, that's a little bit peppy and fun and has a really nice sound to it. Like you guys have heard the Subaru exhaust growl. This car is, honestly, I fell in love with this car a little bit more today. That's with traction control off, and it was staying really straight.